జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి, ఇదే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. యాప్ ఏమైనా ఉందా దీనికి? యాప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలా? Yeah. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So 1 second, I'll just, if any other one is going to join, let's give a 2 minutes time for them. Today
Oh, ma'am.
the class will be So till 12:30 I'll be taking. It's fine.
Yes.
Meanwhile, I'll give 5 to 10 minutes break. Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm using this app through the phone, so I'm not able to get it on the full screen. How to enlarge the screen? There is
Uh,
no option here.
Already I have pinned my screen. No.
Yeah, you are visible, but no, I'm not getting the full screen. It is visible in smaller.
Is visible in smaller. Maybe you have to drag to the left or right side. So you'll
No,
be getting only my screen visible. In Zoom meetings, it is giving some break time. That's why I am using this Joho. So here it will be continuation class. No breaks will happen. Okay.
not able to enlarge the screen. In Zoom, automatically, if we turn the phone, it will we can see in the full screen, but it is not. I'm not able.
1 second, let me check. 1 second. Yeah. Yes, you have to do pin my screen. Okay. It will be present in the screen options. Okay. On the top right corner, it has a pin sign, right? So if you press that one, the screen will be pinned and my screen only you will be able to see. Okay.
Long press. Mobile అయితే long press చేసి.
You have to do the long press in mobile. Okay.
Where, ma'am? Where it is, ma'am?
Yes.
Where we have to press, ma'am?
It is located right hand side top corner on my screen.
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
Got it? Okay. If at all you are working in means you are watching in mobile phone, you have to press that pin symbol for long time. Okay. Just press it.
Long press.
Long press it should required. Okay.
నువ్వు long press చేయాలి.
Ma'am, polls, meeting details, preference, that one, ma'am? Ma'am, can't hear you, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. So this is my screen, right? So US is my screen. So you have to press that long. You will be getting options here. Then use this pin. So automatically my screen will get pinned. Okay. Got it, everyone? Okay. 1 second. So in today's class, we'll see the cutting of the sleeve and the front pattern cutting, and in the paper pattern also, I'll show you the miniature cutting. Okay, the folding technique, everything we'll do that. Before that, I want to explain my about my academy and the courses available with us. So MitraFashion Designer Academy, my academy name. So we have Blouse Course, Salwar Course, and Kids Wear Course. Three courses are available with us, like pre-recorded videos and as well as live online sessions. How this, what do we say? This workshop is going on. Daily classes will be there from Monday to Friday. That is live session class. And another one is pre-recorded videos. Pre-recorded videos means the entire course in one shot. We will be giving you the access to those videos. You have to do by your own. Whenever you have, the time period, you can do on your own. And if at all doubts you got any doubts, you can WhatsApp me or call me for doubts clarification. In live session classes, it is like 1.5 hours. So 2 months course duration. Okay, whatever the course you enroll for, that is the course duration, 2 months. So in that 2 months, you will be going to finish all the topics whatever covered in our course syllabus. Okay, I'll just share my screen to show you the approaches, everything. Just 2 minutes of time. 1 second. So everyone able to see my screen, right? This is the Salwar course contents. So this is the fee for online, recorded videos, pre-recorded videos. Whatever the course details has mentioned here, those all are the pre-recorded videos will be available. If you once enroll to the course, you will be get access to these all things. Okay, and if you want to, choose for the live sessions, how this workshop is happened, like that daily it will happen. So that is the course fee, 10,000 rupees. It will be take around 2 months to 2.5 months. Okay, so this is for Salwar course, and this is kids wear, same course fee is similar for every course. Okay, so these are all the topics kids wear course contents will be covered, and different styles of frocks will be designed. And next, blouse course also you will be learn 10 different models with professional pattern making methods and boutique style finishing, like this. The course fee is 5,500, and this is also same, everything like covered with basic to advanced. Okay, all the pre-recorded videos will be given access to you, so you can do according to the class wise, and these recordings also for lifetime, not like limited duration or some period of time. It is not like that. We'll be giving you the lifetime access whenever you want. For future reference also, you can open and watch the videos. There is no deadline for that. Okay. Yes, now we'll move on to, yes, Gina, any doubt? You have raised your hand. Okay. Then we'll move on to our workshop details. Okay. So I'll shift my camera.
Ma'am, I just want to know whether you are conducting any online courses on sari blouses.
Yeah. Actually, from November, next week onwards, means after Diwali onwards, one more batch is going to start. Okay. So I'm planning to start a new batch. If at all interested, you can join. I'll share you the details in group also. So once, okay, I'll just show you how the folding technique once. And some of you are not able to do along with me. It's fine. You can watch the video recordings and you can do the work once you're done, or once you doing, whenever you are doing the watching the video and doing the kurta. When any doubts raised, you can just WhatsApp me. I'll give my response. Okay. So see, this is the white paper, right? Assume that this is the 3 meters of the fabric. This is the meters wise. Okay. Meters wise. So 3 meters of fabric, and this is the width. Whatever it is, width 44 or 46, whatever. So just fold the fabric into half in this way. Okay, like this. And what you have to do is, this folded side is there, right? So you have to fold it into half like this, cross folding. First, you have to fold the 3 meters of fabric into half. So 1.5, 1.5 you will be getting. So again, what you have to do is cross folding like this. Okay. Once done with this folding, whatever the cross folding is there, right? This folded side, you have to keep it towards your side and place the pattern. Whatever the pattern we have drafted, that you have to place it. Okay. Sometimes what happen is, see, I'll just draw a miniature here. Assume that this is the neck, shoulder, armhole until waist round, and I'm going my flare like this. So here some part of the fabric is going to be missed. So whatever the missed fabric, this piece you have to take from the other side like this. Whatever the piece is missing, you have to draft on the other side like this. Okay. On the fabric only. While drafting the pattern, it is fine. We will be able to do the everything in the chart. But coming to the fabric, sometimes it won't get enough. In some cases, depends on the length also. If the kurta ends here, then you will be getting a little joint here. This shaded part of the fabric is required to join. So whatever the joint is coming, that shape you just draw on the other fabric, and then take two pieces. One is for back side and one is for front side. Okay. The other side it will be sufficient, most probably. Like that. Okay. In some cases, what on the both sides also it will get some joints. It depends on the width. Okay, understood this one? And after that, what you have to do is, for this joint, you have to give 1/2 inch seam allowance. Joining purpose. You have to give 1/2 inch, and then you have to stitch with this. Then it will be able. The stitch line will not visible. It will go to the wrong side. So it will be like that. Understood, right? Gina, understood? You asked me, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it. One more doubt: if we need to add an extra fabric on the down on the end of that flare side, no, like one lace or something like that.
You can add. You can add.
Okay.
You can add directly, put the lace on top of it, or if you are adding some bolts type, what do we call that? Pim poms.
Yeah, that like ping pong like. One more thing.
Yes.
One more thing is that in a new pattern is there one what is fabric itself, where frill like fabric is added in the end of the You got it. Did you got that? One fabric frill, fabric, the same fabric with
Okay.
pleats added in the end of that.
Okay, got it. If you want to
Ah.
add the same fabric in the bottom side, you are asking
Yeah,
that.
bottom side, that too in that too in 5 inches or 8 inches
Yes,
length.
yes, you can add like that also. You can add like
In,
that. You
in
can
that
give,
case,
directly
in that,
frills or ruffles or pleats like that also you can add.
okay, in
But the
that case,
overall length you have to take. First, you have to measure this overall length. This is the half length of the 1/4 length of the kurti. Once you open this, you will be getting the other length and front and back. If you want to add both sides, take that length and then attach it and then start, stitching. Okay, like that you can do. Got it right?
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So now we'll see the front pattern cutting of the neck and yesterday we did cutting, so one layer I'm removing now.
Ma'am, one more doubt. I'm using a sari to do first time.
Okay.
So we have to cut out 3 meter from the sari or
Yes, 3 meters from the sari.
okay.
3 meters means, yeah, whatever the 3 meters side you get, you just cut it out. Don't include the pallu. Pallu design will be different, right? You avoid.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay. Like this, you have to keep the thing, okay, folded side towards your side. Okay. Once you're done arranging this, you can ignore the bottom part. Only we are working here with the neck and the arm curve. Okay, take the chart. Take the chart. See in the chart, we have neck pattern, right? 6-inch neck pattern that you have to first cut it out. Cut the front 6-inch neckline. Okay, like this. And arm side also you have to cut the front arm curve line. From the shoulder onwards, just cut the front arm curve.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm stitching with lining. So
Okay.
can we fold both the pieces at a time and cut the neck and shoulder? Individually we have to do.
No. First you do at a time. Then only you separate one pattern like this.
After doing, already I have cut that pattern.
Okay,
While,
then you have to take off one pattern out.
yeah, that also I have understood. Whatever the next process you are doing now,
Yes.
I do that at the same time for the both lining and the top one.
Yeah,
Or
you can do like that also. You can lay the main fabric and the lining fabric at a time and place the pattern. Do that at a time.
okay.
No issues. what you have to do is align it from the shoulder. Okay, align the pattern from the shoulder. So you will be able to see the difference in the neckline. Okay, like this. So give the 1 centimeter gap here and mark the thing. Mark the neckline by giving 1 centimeter. Okay. And for the arm curve, already it will be in 1 centimeter only. So no need to, just a little teeny bit will be coming. Just small fraction of fabric will be coming like this. Rest everything will be sufficient. Okay. So just lay it like that and then take the.
Ma'am, while keeping the chart above this one, we have left 1 centimeter. Leaving that 1 centimeter, we have to keep the chart, ma'am.
Yes. Have to leave that 1 centimeter and then keep the chart. Okay. Now whatever the markings are done, just trim those from the fabric.
Ma'am, once again, you just keep the chart and show, ma'am. It's just confusing.
Okay. See, from the shoulder, you take the starting point. Okay, leave 1/4 from the shoulder. Okay, don't align it from the starting. Just leave 1/4. Why? Because we have provided some seam allowance, right? So according to that, leave it and then place the chart. So we'll be able to see the difference here. So whatever the 1 centimeter gap is there, here in the neck side, give the 1 centimeter gap. Place some weights here and then take the measuring tape and give the 1 centimeter gaps. Gap in the sense seam allowance. Give 1 centimeter on the neck side and 1 centimeter on the armhole side. Okay, so near the armhole side, it will be, in the front arm curve, you will be see that the curve will go a little inside. So there, this part you will be getting a little more. So only a teeny fabric will be extra here. That you have to cut it out. And coming to the next side, you will be having this side more. And here it will be same again. The 1 centimeter will be same. So whatever the extras are there, you just mark 1 centimeter and just trim that extras. Got it? That is what I am doing. So from the shoulder, give 1/4 gap and then align the pattern. Once you're done with aligning, you just check 1 centimeter on the both curves. It's done marking with the 1 centimeter marking, you just cut the fabric.
Ma'am, after marking, you have to leave 1 centimeter to the next side.
Yes.
And below, on bottom, ma'am, there also 1 centimeter, ma'am, where you're keeping your thing.
Yes. Here also 1 centimeter only.
Full 1 centimeter.
Yes.
And in the shoulder, ma'am?
1/4. 1/4 inch for the shoulder. Understood, right? So like this, you have to do the front pattern. Only some small fabrics will be coming on the arm curve side. So trim that off and give some marking. It is the front side. Just write F. Otherwise, you'll be getting confused. Or else you can remember with the necks also. Back we have taken 4 inch. Front it has 6 inch. So like that also you can do remember. And keep the pattern aside. Once done, we'll see the sleeve pattern. Once done, keep marking, or else you can remember with the neck. If at all you are taking front and back neck same, just give markings. This is front side and the other one is back side, and keep it aside. Now take the leftover fabric. Whatever the fabric is left over, you just take it out.
Armhole side, how much you should leave, ma'am?
1 centimeter. For armhole and the neck, you have to give the same 1 centimeter. See, with the leftover fabric, this is the leftover cuttings after cuttings. Okay, this is the leftover one. Take that one and do the 4 folding method. This is a single layer and do a folding. Okay, make it into half and again make it into half like this. 4 folding. Keep the folded side towards you. Like this.
Once again show this folding, ma'am.
Yes. See, whatever the after cutting the pattern, okay, the leftover fabric is there for me. Okay, in that 3 meters only. You just take it out. And this is a single layer, and I am folding it into half. Okay, this is the half folded. This is the folded side, and this is the open two layers of open side. So again, what I am doing is again folding it into another half.
Okay.
So it will come like 4 folding method. This is called 4 folding methods. So at that time we are going to cut the sleeves. 2 sleeves are going to be at a time. So once done, you just place the pattern on top of this. Align it properly. So align it like this. And if you have any pins, you can just pin the align it. No gap should be given here. It should be aligned in the center part. Like this. See, align the pattern like this on the folded side. Okay, and take some pins.
Ma'am, seam allowance, how much should be left, ma'am? Because I have to adjust with the cloth.
Seam allowance, you
Down.
have to give 1.5. Whatever the seam allowance you have taken in the kurta pattern, that seam allowance you have to give from here.
Okay.
Half or 1 inch or 1/4, whatever the seam allowance you are going to take in the kurta, same thing you have to give on this side. So make sure that 1.5 inch is available on the other side of the pattern, means this side. Okay, like that you align the pattern. Okay. So I will let you know the seam allowances here once. See, this curve is there, right? This is the back arm curve and front arm curve is also there. For both the back and front arm curves, you have to give 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter seam allowance you have to provide here. And on the side, this total side, you have to give 1.5 or 1/4. 1.5 inches. In inches, I am talking. And this is in centimeters. Okay. 1.5 inch or 1/4 inch. If you want to take only 1 inch, it's fine. You can go for 1 inch also. And this side, it will be like a folded side. Folded side. Okay, every time this side of the sleeve will be folded side. And in the bottom, 1/2 inch. Can give 1/2 inch. Okay, done. Done aligning this. So after done pinning the pattern to the fabric, just give the seam allowances. 1 centimeter on the curve line. Make sure here, 1 second. And make sure here give a 1/2 inch straight line. Don't go according to this curve line. Okay. Just make it straight. Okay. And give the markings. 1 centimeter markings. From here onwards, it is like 1.5. And in the bottom, it is like 1/2 inch. Already I left over with 1/2 inch. So I'm leaving like that. Once done with this marking, just cut the fabric. So I'm cutting the fabric. Like this it will become. So after done till here, everyone doing along with me or just watching? Let me know so that I can explain and move on. Okay. So see, after marking this, open the sleeve pattern. Okay, no issues. So like this, you have to place it, and in the pattern, see, front arm curve is there, right? So that you have to trim it off. Once marking done with the back arm curve, you just trim the front arm curve. Same thing, how we done with the kurta pattern, same for the sleeve pattern also. Now what you have to do is place this half on the other side, like this. So leave 1.5 inch and place the pattern. Whatever the seam allowances we have provided, according to that, you just place the pattern. And again, here also you will be getting some little bit of fabric here. Okay, 1 centimeter. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. Just fold the sleeve into half. Okay, like this. And place this pattern. So you can able to see the difference, right? Mark here, again 1 centimeter marking. Use the measuring tape. If you are aware of 1 centimeter, you can do it directly. So here I am marking it directly. Like this. Okay. You can able to see a thin line here from here onwards. So that gap you have to cut it out. So again, make it open. If you work with cotton fabric, it won't get these many deviations, like aligning the fabric, it will sit properly. So whatever the gap you can see here, that small gap, I'm going to cut it off. Okay, this part I am trimming off. And what you have to do is, this is the front side and that side is the back side. For remembering that, you have to fold these two and give a notch here. Just fold the two layers of the fabric and just give a small V cut that we call as notch. If you see, you can able to see the V shape here, right? So you can remember that side is the front side of the sleeve. With the chalk also, if you want, you can give a mark line like this. With this, our sleeve cutting is also done. Okay, so done. Those who are doing along with me, done with cuttings. We'll move on to the stitching. So I'll give 5 minutes break here. Okay. Now it is 10:52. At 11 o'clock, I'll start the class again. That's fine. 7 minutes break. Okay, I'm pausing the video. Means like. Okay. Take break for 5 to 7 minutes and then join again.